Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of evolve. You can develop slowly, especially if you are starting from a simpler form to something more complicated. For example, the company has evolved into a major chemical manufacturer. The second definition of evolve. Gas or heat should be released. For example, the energy evolved during this chemical change is transferred to water. American pronunciation. Evolve. Evolve. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Evolve. Say. Evolve. Evolve means develop gradually. Evolve. Evolve. Evolve origin. Early 17th century, in the general meaning make more complicated, develop. It is derived from Latin evolvere and e variants of ex out of, plus volvere, to roll. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Other cafes evolved into centers for the arts and sciences. Now, repeat after me. Other cafes evolved into centers for the arts and sciences. The second practice. Deference to the Prime Minister has evolved into properly aggressive reporting. Now, repeat after me. Deference to the Prime Minister has evolved into properly aggressive reporting.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.